Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Laksh.
Yes, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, Abhyuday. ठीक हैं आप?
बिल्कुल मैम.
Good.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, beta. Gaurav. Okay. Let everyone come. Right? Chaliye. Tell me, where did we leave the last class that you had on 31st? No, not on the, yes, on 31st. What did we do in the class?
Ma'am, we are worksheet.
Okay, we were doing worksheet.
Worksheet,
Yes.
ma'am.
ठीक है.
यस मैम.
Fine. So we were doing worksheet. Can you tell me which history chapter 1? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
How much we have done, Niharika, if you could tell?
Ma'am, we have
Good
done
morning,
till
ma'am.
20
Good morning.
questions.
We have done?
Till 20 questions.
Okay, so today we'll be doing another 20, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. I hope you all are maintaining this written work in the notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Very good. Chaliye. So in a mood to do worksheet or something else?
Ma'am, something else.
Ma'am,
What?
something else.
Tell. What would you like to do?
Ma'am, fun.
न्यू चैप्टर का फन तो बेटा आपको केवल
Yes,
एक्टिविटी
ma'am.
से
Ma'am, new
बच्चे।
chapter.
न्यू चैप्टर यू वांट?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम. Yes, ma'am.
Let us do one thing. Fine. चलिए. Let me show you a PPT which is for power sharing, right? Chapter 1. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
You will like it. It is all about pictures and all that are there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Here we go. Let me share the screen. Share screen. We'll
बताओ क्या.
not here. Wait. Stop share. Share screen. We need to share. We'll go on the YouTube. WhatsApp. Web. Can you see the screen, class?
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
या क्या होता है? या मैम क्या होता है? यस मैम बोल दो. मतलब ये क्या है? मतलब this is really not done. Who was this? Okay, this is power sharing. They have showed you the map of Belgium. ठीक है? Then they are telling you that Belgium is a small European country where population is just 1 crore and it has borders with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. Brussels is the capital city, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
they have shown you the ethnic composition of Belgium. Germans 1%, Dutch 59 and French 40, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the Flemish region, Wallonia region and the Germans. Okay, Kartikeya Bhatt, can you read this for me?
Of course, ma'am. When the French were rich and powerful, the Dutch were poor. This created discontent among the Dutch. Tension and conflict started between the French and the Dutch.
Okay, next.
Conflicts were more in Brussels. The French were in majority.
Okay, next, Gaurav Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please read this for me?
Yes, ma'am. Belgium amended their constitution 4 times and made the following arrangement. First, equal number of ministers from both French and Dutch communities in the central government. Second, some special laws need the support of majority of the members from each linguistic group. Third, state governments are made autonomous and got many powers. Fourth, a separate government was set up at Brussels at the equal number of princes from both French and Dutch entities. Fourth, each community will elect its own separate community government. The government will look into cultural, education, and language matters.
Very good. Next, Bhumika Chandani.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Advantages of power sharing in Belgium. Avoided social conflicts, prevented civil war, prevented breaking up of the country, strengthened unity.
Okay. What are they telling about? Bhumika, carry on. Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
In Sri Lanka population 2 crore.
Okay, where is Sri Lanka located? Can anybody tell? Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
where is Sri Lanka located? Bhumika.
Ma'am, I know where is it located.
Where?
But ma'am, I don't know.
How to
like-
tell?
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी में बता सकते हो?
Ma'am, in South India.
I'm South
No.
towards
Yes,
India.
southern part
Yes.
of. See, Sri Lanka.
Southern.
Ma'am, in the southern part of India.
India.
हाँ, Sri Lanka is an island country which is located in the southern part of the country, in the southern side of the country, near to Tamil Nadu, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
There, fine. Right. What else do you know about Sri Lanka from this chapter? Like, what have you read about it? Ishika, can you tell what you have read in Sri Lankan case? Ishika?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, just a second. Kavyansh?
Yes.
Kavyansh? Kavyansh, are you there? Kavyansh? Niharika?
Yes, ma'am.
काव्यांश बताइए आप श्रीलंका के बारे में क्या जानते हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर शेयरिंग चैप्टर?
मैम श्रीलंका मैम मैम वो
बताओ. अच्छा, निहारिका,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka?
May I tell?
बेटा एक मिनट रुको, देख लेते हैं कितना पता है जो चैप्टर में पहले कर लिया. हाँ बताओ निहारिका.
In Sri Lanka, the Sinhala speaking and Tamil speaking were there, and the Sinhala speaking were the 74%, which were Buddhists, and the Tamil speaking were 18%. Tamil speaking were divided into Sri Lanka Tamils and Indian Tamils. Sri Lanka Tamils. Sri Lanka Tamils were 13%, and Indian Tamils were 5%, and Indian Tamils were divided into Hindu and Muslims.
And Christians also? Were they Christians? Sri Lankan Tamils were?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Christians was also there, ma'am.
Christians
Very
were about 7%.
okay. Laksh.
7%.
Very good. Laksh,
Yes, ma'am.
was Niharika correct in telling the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Niharika, here is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka, right? You were very much correct. Sinhalas were 74%, and the religion followed by them was Buddhism. Tamils were 18%. They were divided into two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils.
Tamil.
Right? Very good. And the Indian Tamils and Sri Lankan Tamils which were there, they were divided into three categories: Hindus, Muslims, and Christians. Right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. We have Ajit in the class. Ajit, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out. Majoritarian measures in Majoritarian
measures in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka followed majoritarian policy. It is a policy of giving many privileges to majority community and discriminating against the minority.
Done. Next. Ajit, carry on.
In 1956, an act passed to make Sinhala the only official language of Sri Lanka. Second, Sinhala speakers are given preference in government jobs and university positions. Third, Buddhism was declared as the state religion and the government started taking steps to promote Buddhism. Fourth, Tamils did not enjoy equal political rights and they were discriminated against.
Very good. Carry on.
Demands of Tamils. Tamils demanded official language status for Tamil. Second, they demanded equal education and job opportunities for all the citizens. Third, they demanded autonomy to the Tamil majority areas. Fourth, later they demanded a separate state called Elam.
Elam. E-L-A-M. Elam.
Elam.
Very good. Very good. Anything in this not clear, not understood? Clear, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Can we have Ishika reading? Ishika Verma? Ishika? तो कहीं कहाँ चले जाते हैं बच्चे लोग? काव्यांश?
Yes, sir.
मैम ये फोटो
Tamil
मैम ये
formed
श्रीलंकन तमिल्स की है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Read Kavanch.
Tamils formed their own political organizations and raised the demand. Later, some terrorist groups were formed. They started a war against the government.
हाँ. Civil war in Sri Lanka.
Civil war in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. हाँ. Now you read this one. Read Kavanch.
Several people were killed. Many were injured. Many had to go to other countries as refugees. Properties were destroyed. It affected Sri Lanka's economic progress. War ended in 2009 with the defeat of LTTE.
हाँ. Liberation Tamil Tigers Elam.
मैम इसका लीडर कौन था?
बेटा Prabhakaran was the leader.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Ma'am, there is a movie also on this.
Family Man season
Recently
2.
सीरीज जरूर आई है कोई
Yeah,
ऐसा?
ma'am.
मैम द फैमिली मैन सीजन 2.
हाँ
यस मैम. मैम फैमिली मैन का
No,
सीजन
no.
2 में.
हाँ. और मूवी
नहीं,
मूवी
नहीं.
कौन बता रहा है?
एक और थी मैम. मैम मैंने देखी है.
हाँ बता, नाम बता.
नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. मैम फुल इट्स ऑफ जॉन अब्राहम.
जॉन इब्राहिम.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
बेटा ऐसे मुझे याद नहीं है, मेरे को तो पता नहीं ना, नाम सुना हुआ तो
मैम
आया. हाँ.
अली मैम
मैम
मैं
इट इज फुली अबाउट LTT.
देख
इट इज
रहा
ऑल
था
अबाउट
मैम.
LTT. तो मतलब कौन मूवी का नाम वगैरह कुछ पता है आपको? सत्यमेव जयते तो नहीं थे?
मैम उसमें नहीं था मैम एलटीटी. मैम
Force-
कोई और होगी मैम जो बता रहा है.
कैफे, मद्रास कैफे. मद्रास कैफे या फोर्स.
फॉरगॉट.
एक फोर्स मूवी भी आई थी जॉन इब्राहिम की.
नो मैम इट फोर्स. नो.
नहीं है, चलो ठीक है, फिर पता नहीं कौन सी होगी, देख लेंगे, गूगल पे सर्च मार लेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. तो श्रीलंका और बेल्जियम में, चलो अभी पहले ये देखते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस पावर शेयरिंग? काव्यांश, कैरी ऑन.
मैम आई थिंक परमाणु
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
was
परमाणु तो
मद्रास
नहीं बेटा,
कैफे.
परमाणु तो
मैम
बेटा
मद्रास कैफे.
मद्रास कैफे ना. हाँ मतलब कोई एक मूवी मुझे इतना पता है, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नॉट सीन, बट एक जॉन इब्राहिम आपने बोला तो देयर आर 4-5 मूवीज जो कि इस तरीके की उस पे जो है कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे बेस्ड है. जो आइडिया है स्टोरी का, वो समवट आर्मी और इस सब को लेके ही है शायद, है ना? अच्छा मद्रास है, ठीक है, चलो. ओके, लक्ष्य प्लीज रीड.
Power,
हाँ.
ma'am, power sharing is a
Yes,
system in
yes.
which all the social and ethnic group are give a role to play in the administration of the country.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा एरर है, यहाँ पे लिखना है एथनिक ग्रुप्स आर गिवन. ठीक है,
Yeah, ma'am.
चलो
Ma'am,
कैरी.
done. Reason for power sharing, moral reason and prudential reason.
बेटा कैरी ऑन रीडिंग. लक्ष्य, two more slides you will
Power,
read. बेटा रुको एक मिनट.
power sharing.
बेटा रुको लक्ष्य, 2 स्लाइड्स आप पढ़ दो एंड रिमेनिंग 2 विल बी रेड बाय अक्षत. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
चलो
Power sharing helps to reduce conflict between social groups. It is established political stability and strengthen the unity of country. It is good for majority also because it provides them peace and security. Huh? Democracy means power sharing among the people. So power sharing is the spirit of democracy. All the Indian group must get a share of power.
हो गया बेटा अक्षत
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ अक्षत बेटा अक्षत
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am, can I continue?
एक मिनट
Ma'am, may I read?
अरे वेट रुको हाँ हु वांट्स टू रीड कार्तिकेय
Ma'am, I.
नहीं अभ्युदय बहुत
मैम
पढ़
अभी उदय
चलिए कार्तिकेय रीड
May I?
हु इज दिस मे आई
मैम गौरव
गौरव चलो गौरव पढ़ लो बेटा चलो कार्तिक इसके बाद आप पढ़ लेना गौरव को पढ़ने दो यस गौरव
Ma'am,
continue.
this
Forms
is
of
my
power
chair.
sharing. Forms of power sharing amongst different organs of government, legislature, executive, and judiciary.
अच्छा wait
Among
wait
government
wait
at
wait wait
different-
wait wait what is this power sharing called where different organs of government share power what kind of power sharing arrangement is this beta
मैम व्हाट
what
Ma'am,
kind horizontal
Ma'am,
very
horizontal.
Yes,
Horizontal.
ma'am.
very good
Horizontal.
very good it is a horizontal sharing of power next Gaurav read
Among government at different level, different social groups,
Wait.
religious,
Wait.
linguistic.
What is this arrangement called where powers are shared among different levels of government?
Ma'am, political.
Huh?
This, ma'am, what?
What
Ma'am-
is this arrangement called where powers are
Ma'am,
shared levels?
मैम
Vertical.
वर्टिकल
Very
Ma'am,
good.
vertical.
Very good. You should know these two as well. Okay. Very good. Gaurav, carry on, beta.
Different social groups, religious and linguistic.
Linguistic.
Political parties,
Linguistic.
linguistic.
Huh.
Political parties, pressure groups, and movement influence those in power.
Very good. Carry on.
First, power sharing among different organs of government. First, in democratic countries, powers is shared between legislature, executive, and judiciary. Second, each organ check the other. Third, there is a balance of power. Fourth, this system is called the system of check and balance or horizontal distribution of power.
Hmm.
Fifth, for example, the Bombay High Court ordered Maharashtra government to take steps in order to improve the condition of street children.
ठीक है. Now coming to the horizontal spelling errors है हमको avoid करो. Horizontal distribution of power. चलिए. Can we have Abhyuday reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Power is shared among governments at different levels. First, in a federal system, political power is shared between two sets of governments, one at the center and the other at the state. Third, this is called vertical division of power. For example, in India, the constitution divides power among the central and state governments.
ठीक है. What else? Sorry. Carry on.
Vertical distribution of power. First, union central government. Second, state government. Third, municipality panchayat.
ठीक है. Next.
Power is shared among different social groups. Power is shared among different social groups such as the religious and linguistic groups. Example, the community government in Belgium.
ठीक है. Next.
Fourth, power is shared between political parties, pressure groups, and movements. In a democracy, the citizens have a freedom to choose the government. Second, competition between the political parties in the election ensure that the power does not remain in the hands of one party. Third, interest groups also get a share in power. And for example, in Tamil Nadu, DMK and AIADMK come to power periodically.
ठीक है. Power is shared between political parties, pressure groups, and movements. Democracy, for example, ठीक है. It is over now.
Thank you.
Okay. I think this first chapter now is somewhat again very clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. One more thing, tell me, are you all maintaining your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you may be asked anytime to give your notebooks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so you need to.
मैम यूटीज कब है?
जी बेटा?
मैम यूटीज कब है?
UTs.
When did I tell you the last time?
मैम जून.
तो फिर अब
Mid-June.
उसमें कोई चेंजेस थोड़ी हुए होंगे तो बता ही देंगे आपको बच्चे.
मैम डेट
डेट तो इवन मैम इज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ.
मैम सिलेबस बता दीजिए कम से
लास्ट
कम.
2 वीक्स. बेटा सिलेबस तो आप जो एक एक चैप्टर्स हमने कर लिए हैं वो सब होंगे.
मैम एक ही आएंगे ना मैम.
ऑब्वियसली बेटा 4 चैप्टर्स आएंगे. हिस्ट्री में एक, सिविक्स में एक, ज्योग्राफी में एक, इकोनॉमिक्स में एक.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
है ना
मैम कब है मैम टेस्ट?
बेटा?
कब से है मैम?
लास्ट 2 वीक्स ऑफ जून में कभी भी डिक्लेयर हो सकती हैं डेट्स. होंगे इसी
ऑनलाइन मैम?
ऑब्वियसली बेटा ऑनलाइन ही होंगे बच्चे. स्कूल कैसे बुला.
First week is already done.
बस एक हफ्ता बचा है आपके लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? है ना?
यस मैम.
चलिए नेक्स्ट. नाउ टेल मी, in history chapter 1 is all clear and understood to all of you?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us do this. Can you see the screen?
नो मैम.
Arey,
No,
wait a
ma'am.
second. Wait a second. I am sharing the screen with you people. These are the remaining questions, right?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, हमने फर्स्ट 20 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए थे हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1.
यस मैम.
These are
यस
the
मैम.
These are the remaining 20 questions. ये फटाफट से आप लोग करिए, फिर इनको हम डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है? Take 10 minutes to do these questions and another 10 minutes we will discuss. Right? Excuse me.
And we are doing in fair copy this.
We are doing in?
Fair copy. This
Huh?
work.
Do you do it directly in the fair notebooks?
Okay, ma'am.
done? बेटा हो गया, करें डिस्कस? क्लास
No, ma'am.